how to reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. So if you want to reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Poppo Live application. After opening your Poppo Live, you need to go with the live section, which is on the bottom right, and you need to start the live. So you need to first have a face authentication and then a live photo and wealth level 5. If you have wealth level 5, then you'll be able to start your Poppo Live, right? So if you're not being able to go live, it means you need to have wealth level of 5. Now, in order to reach wealth level 5, what you need to do is you need to just go back. Once you're here, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. From the profile, you will have the level section. So you just need simply go with levels, tap on level. Now, once you're on your level section, as you can see that I currently have 0 coins, which means I'm on level 1. So if you want to go with level 5, then you need to have 66,000 coins in order to reach wealth level 5. So this is achievable. What you can do is you can go back and tap on coins section. Once you're on your coins, now in my case I have 0 coins, so you can go with top up, which is on the right side, and then you'll be able to have 7,000 coins with $0.99. And if you want to go with wealth level 5, you need to have at least 66, which is around 70,000, and for that you need to have $9.99. So just go with $9.99, and once you buy the coins, you can go back and reach wealth level 5. And once you reach your wealth level 5, you'll be able to go live on your Poppo Live. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.